Okay, waiting on my Grab driver. Here he is. Yep. And off we go. I guess you had no helmet here in Hanoi. Try to keep the wind out of the mic. And keep my hat on too. I really don't. Gates One family! Gates One family! This guy's driving the bike and looking at his app at the same time. It's not very much traffic, at least not here. Woohoo, look at this. Right around the cars. Lanes are just a suggestion. That wasn't bad, taking a right-hand turn. Ah, the lights came up. I'm headed to Train Street, maybe catch a train tonight. If not, then I'm gonna go over to Beer Street. Say hey! What's weird is the red lights have a countdown clock. See, it's 7, 6. It's not even green yet, and we're going. Yeah, 2, 1, and then green. So you kind of know when it's going to change. I don't know if they'd go over in the States. Oh yeah, we're headed into the tourist area. This guy's good. He can check his app, see where he's taking me, and driving his left. See, now we're on the wrong side of the road. We go all the way to the front. The bikes go up to the front. See, now we got oncoming traffic coming. Look at this stuff. Look at this. And in Saigon, if you need to take a right, they hop the curb right here and take a right. this guy doing? Dude. Looks like it could be a hell of an intersection here. I didn't think I was going that far away. I hope I know where I hope I put in the right coordinates. Let's fight our way through, battle our way through. There we go. That's how you do it. It's the exact same thing when you're walking. Now I'm getting kind of worried about where I punched in on the map he's taking me. It's only supposed to be about 2 miles, but woo! He's looking on the map. I ain't about to let my other hand loose from this back bar here to look on my.
Hello. Anh ở Bát Tư Tân Phú không?
Okay. Come on.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. I have no idea where I'm at. I'm gonna have to look on the map. So that was something else.